All right, so we're going to go over beyond the whiteboard. When you open up your app, it'll look like this, and it'll kind of take you through a bunch of different sections within here. So you'll have today's workout, like the featured workout's going to be the open workout, so you guys can go back and repost those. Fitness level, modalities, kind of just seeing where you've been in the past. You can do your weight, you can do lifestyle stuff in here, all kinds of different options, but I'm just going to go through the workout. So when you go in, you guys will just click today's workout, and you're going to see the post for what the gym did today, which is going to be the Chief. You'll be able to see extra instructions that are posted in here, but when you click that, you will go in, and when you go into it, the way it will be set up, you'll see the workout, and you go over to log. When you go into log, it's pretty much just inputting the information. So you guys will just do rounds and then any additional reps. So if you did 2 rounds and then 3 power cleans, that's what you would put in. You got all 5 rounds in here. If you change the workout at all, you change the weight, or you change the push-ups, you just click modified. If you did it as it's written, you just do prescribed. You can share it with the public, you can share it with the gym only, you can share it with just yourself so no one else can see it. It's up to you guys. Saving results. So, but big thing that's going to be helpful for you guys tracking is you can go into each one of these and you can change what movements you did. So if you did a hang power clean instead of a power clean, we can put in hang power clean. We can change the load. Let's say we did 95, save, and let's say I scaled the push-ups to push-ups on my knees, just like that. Save. All right, so that's what I did for the day, and we would still enter our rounds, everything else, go all the way down. I modified the workout, and I would click save, and then everything would be saved from this day forward. There's also a lot of user-friendly things in here that you guys can go through, but it'll show you like different movements as far as like what the movements are for the day. Let me see if I can actually find that. So if I go to the prepare section, it gives you an idea of where you'll be within the workout on your finish. This has the demonstrations of what a power clean is. This has the demonstrations of a push-up. And lastly, this has the demonstrations of an air squat. So we have all these already in here. So you guys can go through, see these movements, so you have an idea of what's coming. And then obviously we'll still have scaled options within class, but this will allow it. And then if you go to previous results, you guys can actually see where you've done in the past. You can put your notes on here. You can kind of see my progress. You know, this is back from 2014, with 21 rounds, and then a couple more recent ones that I've done. So a lot of good stuff in here, guys. Feel free to explore it. I mean, there's more stuff on here than I've even used. Another thing you guys can do is like log your meals, log your weight, log your body fat. So I know a lot of you guys have been doing that here recently, so make sure you log that in there too. And to do that, you would go to log, and you go up to meal or weigh in, all these different things you guys can add. You could enter body fat percentage. You guys can enter your own workouts if you did something at home, so you just build your own workout, and if it's 1 movement or 2. And then if you did your meal, I think we got that in here too, but you guys could do, you could take, the biggest thing is you can take a picture of your meal too, so if you guys are really trying to keep track of that, that's something we could do. Any other questions, feel free to let me know, and I'll do my best to answer them. And hopefully it's a good thing. You guys get some use out of it. I'm hoping to see you guys logging it. And we will see you this week.